Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. Today I'm going to make a candy cane. I'm going to start with a pipe cleaner or chenille stem, whichever you prefer, and I folded it in half because I want to, I'm only going to use half of it for this project. So I am snipping that off, and because it's wire, I don't like using my regular scissors for that, so I just have one I picked up somewhere cheap that I use for this kind of thing. So I need some tri-beads, and see if I can find a size on those. Those are red ones. And then I use some clear ones. And these are 11mm tri-beads. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to feed them onto my stem, alternating the colors. Okay, so I put a red one on, clear one on, red, Okay, now I've gone right to the very tip, and I'm just going to kind of bend that wire end, kind of nestle it right in the notch of one of the tri-beads, and I need to do that on both ends. So I want to secure that down just a little bit more, so I'm going to take a little bit of glue here. So I'm going to take a little bit of glue and just there we go. Glue the end of it. So I think I'll actually leave that boo-boo out and show you I'm taking a diaper wipe and just wiping off that excess glue off both ends of my beads, and then I am going to shape this into a candy cane. I've shaped that into a candy cane, and then I think I'll put maybe a ribbon or a bow on it. Let's see what I can find. Okay, now that my ends have dried, I put on this pretty little bow, and I have a candy cane all ready to go.